will present the material about English for software engineers, developers, software, and programmers. So, firstly, William.
According to according to the 2021 State of Developer Nation report, there will 24.3 million software developers, 20% increase from 2020. At that rate, it's currently estimated there that there will be 45 million software developers from by 2030. So, do you have a dream or just experience a software field, because every technology will improve? And then I want to discuss about important for English, specialist IT, explaining how can approve who can approve learning English well. Maybe you can follow course, because with course always near with English. If you want the future with bright, yeah, read on. And the next is
Software engineer and developers need English. Although there has been reason to speak against the dominating nature of English in the IT field, it remains that English is not only the word lingua franca, but also the principal mode of communication in the software industry. And then multinational engineering manager Ikara Serara asserts, if you don't speak the word technology language, which is English, you should focus on learning it first before diving into tech trends. He doesn't explain that learning English allows him to stay up to date with the latest technology and interact with the best talent in the world to get insight from the best minds in his field. Consequently, if IT specialists wish to compete globally, they must learn the language that can help them effectively communication with the international technology community and stay on top of innovation and trends. Okay, next, Adnan.
Next, why is English important for software engineer and developer? Given the prevalence of English in the technology world, it's very important for IT professional working in global market. It enables them to confidently speak with multinational colleagues, customer, supervisor, and business associates. This might be while in interview for a job, sharing opinion in meeting, giving a presentation in giving presentation to client, asking supervisor clarification about 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 question. Pitching to pitching pitching new idea to their team or networking at work life at work life at work life technology event. Beyond verbal skill, learning write and write English work document is also imperative, whether descriptive, that means internal message, code review, project document, or programming language requires a solid common English literacy. Next.
Is English important for? Consider this one-third of all people programming language were developed in English-speaking countries, examples JavaScript, and many software engineers were developed in other countries were developed in English to make it more internationally marketable. Example Pascal from Switzerland, Python from the Netherlands, Go from Brazil. So, how important is English for programming? Well, English is the universal trade language for trading, and even if a programming language is written in a different spoken language, most of its keywords will still be in English. Why? Well, as one programmer explains, because programmers need to communicate about their code. And that's easy if there's a standard. And the standard is easy, it's English. With this in mind, learning English for computer programmers will make or break your career. Next, Alia.
How can you learn English as a software engineer or developer? As an engineer or developer software, we can learn English from some ways, and I can give you examples. First examples is one-on-one lessons. One-on-one lessons can also be called private lessons. By one-on-one lessons, you can more understanding of the material, can help to focus and concentrate because we will monitored by private teachers while learn English. Second example is group classes. Slightly different from one-on-one lessons. Group classes are learning with several members and one instructor or teacher. Third example is asynchronous courses. Asynchronous courses is learn by using the learning management system or online learning, which is material has been prepared by teacher so that student